Hey, this is Audrey with Cooking Couture and Linda. Hi. Honey, I'm about to make this Italian lemon pound cake real quick. I seen the recipe and I really liked it. I got 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt in here. But what I just realized is that I made a mistake and put baking soda instead of baking powder. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. I have been doing way too much partying these last few days. So instead of baking powder, I freaking put baking soda, which has baking powder in it. We gonna see how it turned out, cause it ain't nothing I can do now because I already put the flour, salt, and baking soda, which was supposed to be baking powder, in here and whisked it together so that it's all evenly distributed. I can't even try to scoop it out. Whatever. I wish I had somebody that I was really baking for, but I'm taking this to the Super Bowl party, so we're gonna see how it turns out. So I am taking a cup of softened butter and I'm going to mix it with 2 cups of sugar, and then I'm going to add the eggs. I got 3 eggs, and then this 1/2 cup of buttermilk, a 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. I don't have a zest of lemon, so I'm gonna put some lemon extract in it, and then I'm gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla, whip it up, throw it in this pan that I am going to spray. I like this pan baking. I'm gonna spray with this pan, and we're gonna have a good lemon cake. I'm gonna make the icing bomb so everybody will love it. And we're going to get this show on the road here. Okay, so I have creamed together 2 cups of sugar and a cup of butter, which was 2 sticks. When you crack your eggs, like however many eggs you need, crack them beforehand in, like in a separate bowl. This makes it so much easier. Just add your eggs. And then you add the eggs one at a time to your wet mixture. It makes your life so much easier, and it avoids shells and all of that. And then when you're sitting and sipping, because that's what I'm doing, I got my Rebecca mango pineapple vodka, added a little apple juice to it, and I'm sitting here making a cake for the Super Bowl party. Yep. I wish I had a guy. If I had a man, I would be cooking. Well, I cooked an amazing dinner today, and I'd be entertaining and having people over for the Super Bowl and all that good stuff. But since I don't, I am going to make a cake and go support my friend and her man. How about that? Listen, it ain't nothing better than listening to a little Will Downing, having you a little sip, making you a cake. Come on, y'all. You gotta chill out and relax. You will love it. Oh my goodness. I am having a good time right now. Okay, so I added 4 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1/2 cup of sour cream. I'm blending this to my mixture. I'm chilling. I'm not tripping off the fact that I don't have a man to cook for. I'm enjoying this day, Lord.